scary truth and our shot for survival is climate restoration. As the world grapples with the escalating crisis of climate change, Peter Fikowski's book, Climate Restoration, The Only Future That Will Sustain the Human Race, stands as a stark wake-up call for humanity. With each passing day, the consequences of our actions become more severe, and the time to act grows increasingly fleeting. In this episode, I look into Fikowski's work and how it is a meticulously researched and deeply insightful exploration of the grave challenges we face due to climate change. He paints a vivid picture of the devastation that awaits us if we continue on our current trajectory, from rising sea levels that threaten coastal cities to increasingly frequent and severe natural disasters that disrupt food and water supplies. What sets this book apart is its unwavering focus on solutions. Fikowski doesn't merely highlight the problems, he offers a comprehensive roadmap for climate restoration, a bold and ambitious plan to reverse the damage we've inflicted on our planet. Through a combination of innovative technologies, policy reforms, and a fundamental shift in our collective mindset, he outlines a path towards a sustainable future. One of the book's most compelling arguments is the urgent need for a global, coordinated effort. Climate change knows no borders, and its effects ripple across continents and oceans. Fikowski emphasizes the importance of international cooperation, urging nations to put aside their differences and work together to address this existential threat. But what truly resonates is the author's unwavering belief in human ingenuity and resilience. He reminds us that we possess the knowledge and resources to overcome this challenge, provided we summon the courage and determination to act decisively. As we navigate the turbulent waters of climate change, Fikowski's book serves as a beacon of hope, illuminating the path forward. It is a rallying cry for individuals, communities, and nations to embrace sustainable practices and prioritize the health of our planet. This brings us to the importance of eco-friendly products and the use of green coatings in restoring buildings and surfaces, rather than demolishing and replacing existing structures, which often contributes to further environmental damage. Innovative coating solutions offer a sustainable alternative. By utilizing cutting-edge, environmentally friendly coatings, we can breathe new life into aging infrastructure, extending its lifespan and reducing the carbon footprint associated with construction and demolition. These coatings not only protect surfaces from the elements but also boast superior insulation properties, helping to reduce energy consumption and lower greenhouse gas emissions. Moreover, the production and application of these green coatings are designed to minimize environmental impact, employing sustainable materials and processes that align with the principles of climate restoration. In a world where every action has consequences, embracing eco-friendly products and green coatings is a tangible step we can take towards a more sustainable future. By preserving our existing structures and reducing our reliance on resource-intensive construction methods, we can contribute to the collective effort of mitigating climate change. To sum it up, Climate Restoration, The Only Future That Will Sustain the Human Race, is not merely a book, it is a loud and clear call for action, a reminder that our fate lies in our own hands. As we grapple with the real and present threat of climate change, Fikowski's work serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards a future where humanity and nature can coexist in harmony. You may like this quote from Buckminster Fuller, American architect, systems theorist, writer, designer, inventor, philosopher, futurist. You can never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete. What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening, and see you on my next episode.